Hi guys, it's Soft Toys Empire. This is a humpback whale. Humpback whale can live up to 80 to 90 years and has a baleen plates filter feeding system instead of teeth and can reach up to 50 to 60 feet. Humpback whales don't usually swim fast, but when in danger, they can go up to 15 to 26 mph. They are known for their magical songs. Did you know that all clownfish are born male? Clownfish live in a small groups inhabiting a single anemone. These groups consist of breeding pair cohabiting with few smaller non-reproductive male clownfish. What are interesting facts about great white sharks? Adult great white sharks grow to a maximum size of approximately 20 feet in length, weigh up to 6,600 pounds, and are estimated to live for 30 years. Sharks do not have bones. Most sharks have a good eyesight.
Look, baby shark. Oh yeah, it's a shark family.
Baby shark, baby shark, baby.
Turtle facts. Turtles belong to one of the oldest reptile groups in the world, beating snakes, crocodiles, and alligators. These creatures date back to the time of dinosaurs over 200 million years ago. Here's some most interesting about seahorse. Male seahorses carry the baby during reproduction. Seahorses are terrible swimmers. They eat by suction. Seahorses don't have stomachs. Their tails have a useful tool. Some facts about dolphin. There are currently 42 species of dolphins and 7 species of porpoises. Dolphins are marine mammals. They must surface to breathe air and give birth to live young. A dolphin pregnancy lasts between 9 and 16 months. Some facts about octopus. Octopus are among the most intelligent animals. Did you know that octopus have 3 hearts? 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. And octopus have 8 tentacles.